This really is just a FOIL question with one twist at the end. We're going to get an I squared, and do you remember what we have to replace that with? All right, let's jump in and see. So first, outside, inside, last, right? FOIL, so we multiply the 3 and the 7, we get 21. The L gives you negative 6i squared. Now some students accidentally actually write 21 minus 6i squared as their answer, but they forgot to FOIL. There is also the outside here that we have to do and the inside. So the outside would be negative 9i, the inside would be positive 14i. Those are like terms, of course. We can combine them to be 5i. We still have this 21 just waiting. And then what about this I squared? Do you remember what that is? Remember, I is the square root of negative 1. So if you square that, you get plain old negative 1. It just cancels the square root. So anywhere you see an I squared, you should instantly replace it with negative 1. Negative 1. So this is positive 6. So we got 21 plus 5i plus 6. And now look at that. Because we did the I squared, we end up with 21 plus 6, which is 27 plus 5i. So you multiply two complex numbers, what do you get? You get another complex number. You don't get something with an I squared. All right, hopefully this was helpful. Good luck.